Welcome to Ultimate Security. Let's walk through to the dashboard overview to show you how easy it is to protect your site. We'll head over to the Security Wizard. This tool is designed to automate your initial protection by scanning your current environment and recommending the best security settings. Once you click Next, the plugin scans your site's health. As you can see, this new site currently has an F grade, highlighting critical issues like a missing SSL certificate and weak password policies. Moving forward, you can choose from 3 levels of protection: Basic, Balanced, or Maximum. For this new site, we'll select Maximum Security. Before applying the changes, the wizard lets you review exactly what will be updated. After you click Apply Profile, the tool instantly hardens your site and you can return to the main dashboard. Back on the dashboard, let's see what's in View Details. You get a full breakdown of your security score, showing which critical fixes are still needed. Now, in the dashboard, there are 4 options indicating issues found, critical threats, outdated plugin, and failed logins. This section shows your site's health. Next, let's look at file integrity. By clicking Check File Integrity, the plugin scans your core WordPress files for any unauthorized changes. In the main dashboard, we recommend adding server protection. Finally, scrolling down reveals real-time data, including failed login attempts, plugin updates, and critical threats. At the bottom, you'll find quick actions to jump into the security settings instantly from here. Eventually, these security recommendations will help keep your site's defenses updated, and the system information helps you monitor your site's system info. With Ultimate Security, manage your WordPress security with full control.